Hello, this is DC Trading. Today I'm going to show you this #1 binary strategy that you guys should be using in 2022. So with that said, this is going to be raw footage, unedited. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications because you guys don't want to miss out on this strategy. So with that said, I'm going to switch the scenes to right here. And I'm going to explain this strategy. Very simple to understand. You're going to use 2 indicators, and then if you want to use a third one, you can. So before I say anything else, make sure to follow me on Instagram, DC_fly421, and also if you sign up with Pocket Options, or if you want to, click the link down below and use the code right here, as you guys can see, for 25% bonus. Come on, guys. With that said, I'm going to explain right now this #1 binary strategy that you guys can make as much money as you want. So you guys don't want to miss it. With that said, let's get right into this strategy. So guys, the first 2 things you wanted to use is the indicators. The moving averages are the 2 you want to use. The first one, as you guys can see, is going to be a period 4 EMA. Styles, you can leave it as it is, 1px green. The second one, you can use the 19 EMA, also 1px green. Remember guys, this make sure to screenshot all these. So with that said, once you screenshot these 2, you really need that. If you want to use the ADX, you can use the ADX 10 right here. You can see. Make sure to screenshot all this. If you want to use a CCI 20, here it is. Make sure to screenshot it. And then if you want to use oscillator, you can use any of these 3. You guys, screenshot it as it is. Okay, so now that we screenshotted everything, the main indicators for this strategy right here is the moving averages. Yes guys, the moving averages. Very simple to understand. As you guys can see, we're going to look at this for example. Once these cross, it went for a buy. You could have gone for a buy once it pulled back down a little bit right here, but if you want to be safer and you want to win like 90% of your trades, wait for a pullback like this, and then the best thing to do is to get in a trade between these 2 lines. You guys can see I would have got in right here and you would have won that. Another pullback and in, you would have won. And then right here I just would have waited for another cross right here, cross, pullback, went back up. As you guys can see, like right here, we're going to take, for example, this is going on a downtrend right now. We're going to wait real quick because this looks like it's going to go for a buy pretty soon. You guys can see right here, it looks like it's going to go for a buy pretty soon. We're waiting for those crosses. You look at the 1 hour. Also, you can look at the 1 hour for the overall movement. It's going to downtrend, so you want to look for sells. So if you're on here, good time to go for sells, but you gotta wait for a pullback in between these 2 lines. Remember that, guys. So right here, it is going for buys now. We're going to wait for a pullback to 573. Once we see a pullback to 573, remember guys, this is a 1-minute trade, 15-second candle. Remember that, guys. Very important to understand. We gotta wait real quick for a pullback. If it doesn't pull back, well then we're not going in. Simple as that. If you want to win most of your trades, you gotta be very disciplined. I know guys, it sucks. You can get in right now, but just know it's not going to be 90% of the time you're gonna win. So we're just gonna wait, look for another one, scout, see what's up. If you look at the 1 hour, this is going for a buy. So I'm waiting for a pullback to probably like 98, the hundreds around there. So we just gotta wait. As you can see, a pullback right here. I want to get in at 591. So we're just gonna wait and wait. Here's going for sells. I could possibly go in for a buy because the cross, but it's a little bit riskier. Remember that, guys. It's a little bit riskier. You guys can see right now it is going back up. I need a pullback to 595. I will go in for a pullback at 595, 593. You guys can see this is going for a buy now, but it is possible it can go back down, which is very, very dangerous. But you guys get the understanding. Remember, guys, get in between these two lines. Remember that. See, you would have got in right here, you would have won that. But I'm being very, very disciplined. Just remember that, guys. You can also use the ADX to see the strength of it. Who's the buyer, who's selling, who's buying, who's selling. It shows you the percentage. 12% are selling, 45% are buying, so it's a strong buy. This right here is also saying 39% strong. It's very strong, this right here. You can also use the CCI and the oscillator, as you guys can see. Okay, you can see right here, guys. See what I mean? What happened? Very, very dangerous. That's why I don't go for these. That's why it's better to go for, if you look at the 1 hour, it is going for sell, as you can see right here. So that's just a little bit, you can understand more about the, let's see, let's go for a 70%. Okay, guys, this one is going for buys, but it's going for a down, a downward trend now. If it goes back up to 101, we can go back in. A little bit riskier, but that's fine, guys. As for this one, it is stuck there pretty much. Okay, if it pulls back up to, okay, never mind, that passed us. This one just kept going up. This one, yeah, it's going for buys now. Let's see what happens. Let's look for another one. Oh, JPY, never mind. Okay. Yeah, there's no pullbacks on this one, chat. This one left us, but that's okay. As long as we didn't lose, that's fine. If it goes back up here to 101, I will go in. If it goes back up here to 101, I will go in. This one's a little bit riskier, you guys can see right now. Okay, I'm just going to let that one be. You guys can see the 1 hour sells, going for sells. That's a good one. I'm going to wait for another cross for a buy because, yeah, as you guys can see, it's going for a buy mainly. So I'm going to wait patiently. So you guys can see an understanding of how I, analyze the markets for this strategy. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Make sure to hit the like button. Let's get 100 likes. We need to get a trade in for this video. Because I'm not a scam. This is proven. I'm just, I'm going to have to try to get in the right time, right time to get in. This is going for buys if you look at the 1 hour. So yes, I'm definitely going in for a buy on here. I'm just gonna wait for another cross. We're gonna be patient, chat. You guys can see this is took off on us. I even called it. You guys can see right here, it is going, yep, here we go. Okay, so this is going for, it needs to go back to 4099, and then I will go in for a buy. You guys can see it crossed right here. If it goes back to down here between these two lines, I will go in very quickly. Okay, we went in between these two lines. So yeah, we went in. You gotta be patient. So we got 27 seconds left. Let's go, let's go. Okay, as you guys can see, I went in between the two lines. I followed the strategy. So 90% of the time, I should get it correct. So if it goes back down in between these two lines, I will go in again. Because this looks like an uptrend. If you look at the 1 hour uptrend. There we go, guys. We won it. Let's go. Let's see, there's another downfall in between these two lines and we'll go in. Okay. We went in for another one. Oh, it looks like it's going on a downtrend, guys. We got to be patient. Okay, I might have, been over, did it myself, but I followed the trend. It does look like it's going to uptrend because look at the 1 hour. So I trust my analysis on it, but anything could happen. So right now we're winning. Right now it's right here. We just gotta be patient. Oh, that just okay, guys. We didn't win. That's okay. You guys can see. Look at this for proof. Green. We only lost one trade out of all these. It's 90% of the time you're going to win. But that's all right. We're gonna back out of that. As you guys can see, this one is going for another. We're gonna have to be patient on this one. Okay. It lost a little bit of strength, but overall it is going for buys on this one. As you guys can see, look at this one eventually went up for a buy. As you guys can see. That's crazy. But this is a little bit wishy-washy. It's going to be a little pullback, probably going to go down to like 616. So this will be a good time to go in for a sell. If it goes back up to like 654 around here, I will go in for a sell. But just know it's going to be a little bit riskier. It went from 90% to around 70 to 60% because it is an uptrend if you look at the 1 hour candlestick. So it did go back up. I should have went in, but that's okay. That's okay. I think, guys, we're just gonna end it right here. Let's see what happens real quick, because we are hitting the 12 minutes, the 13-minute mark, so it is very, very long. But as you guys can see right here, pretty much greens all the way. If I move it, if I move this, we're all greens. You can see clearly right there. Just so you guys were wondering. Let's see what happens if a cross comes up here. We can go in. Okay, there's a little pullback. That's good. That's good. It's going back up now. I'm going to wait for another cross very quickly. Okay, it looks like, oh. Doesn't cross in the next minute. I'm just going to end the video there so you guys, because I will be posting another, it's day 5 or day 6 out of 60 days where I turn $300 into 30K. So it's day 6. I'll probably post it later on tonight or tomorrow. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. But with that said, is this going for a buy or sell? It's going for a buy. Okay. That one's going for a buy. Oh, okay, guys, right here is going for buys now. We need to pull back real very quickly to 651. Yeah, so pull back to 651 and we'll go back in for a buy. I need that 652 around this, in between these two lines, guys. In between these two lines, we're pretty much good. Let's see what happens. Need this back down. This 655, around this 658, 655 area, we can go back in. A little pullback, that'll be amazing. Come on, real quick. Real quick. Guys, even if I do lose it, I'm going to show it no matter what. Just so you guys know. So 658, it needs to go back down more. I would love it to go down just a little bit more, you know, just a little downward. To that 657, that would be amazing. Okay, it didn't, guys. Okay, it left us. That's okay, chat. I'm just gonna end the video here because it is a very long video now because it's 15 minutes. We entered 2 trades. We won 1. We didn't lose or win the other one. We broke even, so we got our money back. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, chat, we're just gonna end it here. But with that said, hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications, everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this. You understand the strategy more and more, because if you don't, make sure to let me know because I will try and help as much as possible. With that said, peace.